Hi guys, welcome to Memo's Tutorials. Today we are looking at theorem number 3, which says angles subtended by the same chord or arc, they are equal at the circumference, right? Same chord or arc, I hope you still remember your arcs. So we have arc HG in this case, and from arc HG we are forming an angle of 22 degrees there at the circumference, and we are also forming an angle of y degrees there. So what does that mean? It means our y is also going to be 22 degrees. The reason for our answer, it is subtended from the same chord, right? They're all from the same chord or arc. And then what about x? How are we going to find the value for x? As well, when you stand at EF there, you will realize that from arc EF, we are forming an angle x degrees here at the circumference. And also from arc EF, we are forming an angle of h degrees here at the circumference, right? Making our x to be also 18 degrees. What about this one? PQR. Okay. So from chord TS, you can see from chord TX, we are forming an angle of y degrees at the circumference, 16 degrees at the circumference, and x degrees at the circumference. So all these angles, they are going to be equal, right? Meaning y is equal to 16 and also x is equal to a 16, right? Okay. Now let's move on to question 3. They want us to find the value for x. How are we going to find the value for x? Okay. But can you see, guys, that we've got parallel lines, okay? And in this case, they are forming a Z angle. A Z angle, which simply means if this is 35 degrees, our angle E is also going to be 35 degrees. With that being said now, and I go and stand on arc DG. If I'm on arc DG there, the angle that I form at the circumference is 35 degrees at E, and it's also X degrees at F. These two angles are equal. So in other terms, our x is equal to 35 degrees, okay? All right. What about these ones? Okay. How are we going to find our x and how are we going to find our y on that one? But for x, it's very easy. If we stand at chord BD, you realize that the angle that we are forming at the circumference here is 32 degrees. At the top there, it's also supposed to be 32 degrees, okay? What about angle E? Angle E, this is a straight line. And I'm sure you guys remember that angles on a straight line, they add up to 180, right? For me to get E, I will simply say 180 minus a 92. And we get our E as a 88. So we now have 88 there. And we know if that's 88, automatically this is also 88. And that's 92. Automatically this is 92. Why am I saying automatically that is that? Because they are vertically opposite angles are equal, right? Now we can find our y easily. Angles in a triangle. So we simply say 180 minus open bracket 32 plus 92. Then we get our value for y as a 56, right? I hope you guys are following.